Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very exciting video for you guys. I am doing a Rockabilly mystery unboxing video. Now I bought this box on Etsy. It's from a store called Alternate Normality and they sell like hair flowers, brooches, or all different kinds of things. I'm not sure what I'm going to be getting in this box, but I'm very excited to have a look and see what goodies we've got. And they do all different kind of boxes on there, which when I was looking through the website I saw they do amazing stuff on there, and I just thought, you know, I came across these boxes and they had all different price ones. So I got the highest price one, which is £25. It goes from £5 to £15, and then you got the £25 one. So you got small, medium and large Rockabilly mystery boxes on her Etsy store. I'll link them down below in case you guys want to check them out. But I don't know how good these goodies are going to be. They could be really rubbish, they could be really great. But you know, I've seen a lot of pinup girls wear Alternate Normality as well online on Instagram and stuff, and I do actually follow them on Instagram because I think their stuff is actually really great, but I've never bought from them before. So I thought, you know, this could be a really interesting video. And so yeah, I bought the £25 mystery box and I'm very excited to see what goodies I got in it. So let's get into it. So this is the box. It's just a normal mail box that we've got here. I have sliced it open already, so I don't have to spend 10 minutes opening it. But I have not looked inside, so I'm very excited to do that with you. So let's open it up now. Ooh, it's just got red tissue paper on top is what I can see there. You guys can see. And now I'm just gonna open it up. I don't know if anything's wrapped or not, but I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Ooh, nothing's wrapped. Oh my goodness. I can see there's a lot of hair stuff in here, which I'm very excited about. And I've got a little note that says thank you for your order, and this is her website stuff. So if you guys want to have a look, all this information will be in the down bar anyway, in the description bar. So don't worry if you can't capture it all now. But that's so cute, and I love their little like unicorn logo. You can't really see it, but it's so adorable. Look how cute that is. And yeah, I'm just gonna get right into the box. I'm very excited to see all the goodies I have got in this box. So let's see what we've got. First thing I see here, I'm gonna kind of open them up already. I think these are like shoe clips or hair clips, because then these are the only things that are wrapped. And I'm pretty sure she does shoe clips like this on her web, or like on her Etsy or website. And yeah, I think I'm right. They have little clips like this on the back, and they're like orchid flowers for your shoes. I think these are shoe clips, I could be wrong, I think they are. They're so adorable. Like those will look really cute on some like flat shoes, like plain black flat shoes, and you just clip these on. How adorable would they be? Seriously? And they come cutely packaged in a little box package like that. Ooh, next thing I can see. Ooh, pretty hair flower here. One of these massive hair flowers. This is actually a brooch and a hair clip, so it's like a 2-in-1, which is really cool. Big massive flower. Oh, I like that actually. That'll go nice in my hair there. I really like that. Oh, it can just sit on your top as a brooch, which I think will be really cute. Love that. Next thing I can see is this really cute felt bow with like stars on it. Don't know if you guys can see that there. But look how adorable that is. Absolutely love it. I've seen these on Etsy that are made out of like different material, like proper like fabric material. I don't know, some really expensive fabric, and these are going for like £30 for like a bit bigger, and they like slide on your hair like that, and it looks really cute. But to have one like this and that is affordable and looks really cute, it's great. I love it. I think that's so adorable. So that's 3 items so far. Next thing I'm picking up is this really adorable hair flower. I love this. I think this is so cute. I think this box is all hair flowers mainly, guys. Oh my goodness, that is adorable. And it's just got a little clip at the back there, gator clip. And the quality feels really nice, and it's sturdy. It doesn't feel like it's gonna break anytime soon, which I've had flowers that have done that in the past where they just have come off. And that'll look cute there too. Oh, I like that. How adorable would that be, guys? Love that. Then I see this really cute baby blue sparkly flower. This is really adorable, guys. Look how sparkly it is. It's really pretty. And this is just another clip as well, gator clip. How adorable is that? That'll look cute in my hair too. I'm just like trying everything as I go. I'm just like, oh, that'll look cute. That will look cute. I like that. Let's see what else we've got. Oh, we're down to our last 2 items, and I just saw the last one I'm going to show you guys are going to absolutely love, I think. Well, this is the second to last one, and I love these kind of flowers. They are so pretty, and I love the thing that is on. I can't remember what these are called. These grippy things. I really can't remember what the hair slides, I think they're called. Well, that's what I'm going to call them now. I really love flowers on these types of clips or grips, because if you have victory rolls and you put a gator clip in, sometimes you place it in wrong, and then you have a disaster of your hair's perfect and then you pull out the clip with the hair flower on and it just ruins your hair. So ones like these are a lifesaver. So if you guys that wear victory rolls all the time, get some hair flowers like this that are on these little grips, because honestly they work so much better. Like, look, if I just slide it in there, it stays in and it doesn't ruin my hair when it comes out. So absolutely perfect, and that flower is absolutely stunning. Love that. Oh, my voice is getting a bit croaky there. And the last thing in this box that I can see, let me make sure. Yeah, the absolute last thing I can see you guys are gonna freak out over, and is this gorgeous hair flower, like hat thing. Absolutely love this. This is so beautiful. Like, this is gonna look so good when I'm all dressed up and have my hair down, I think. Or even in a poodle hairstyle, this will look so good sitting on the side. Look at the quality of this. It's absolutely stunning. It's got cherries, flowers, and this is what the inside looks like in case anyone's wondering. That's what it looks like. The quality is absolutely stunning. I really, really love this. And I think this kind of makes up the box. Like, this is basically worth a lot more than £25, I would believe, probably. This is probably the most expensive item in the box. I'm not sure how much each item is, because everything's different, and not everything you see here you will get on the website, because everything's like handmade and it's made specially for these boxes, I believe. But I'm really, really impressed with everything, especially that last hat we just got. Absolutely love it. And I'm really impressed with this Rockabilly box. I really did enjoy everything I got, which is amazing. I didn't think I would, because I'm really skeptical with doing these kind of videos. If you guys have a store on Etsy, if anyone who has a store that's watching this video that has an Etsy shop that sells hair flowers or anything, please do a hair flower mystery box or a Rockabilly mystery box. I think that would be amazing. Just putting it out there, because I would love to buy more of these and open them more on camera if you guys like them. Let me know what you guys thought of this video, because I actually really did enjoy opening this box. I thought it was really, really fun. I'll leave Alternate Normality's Instagram and everything down below. They do not know I'm making this video. I just bought it as a whim. So let me know if you guys like it. I probably will tell them I have made this video on their stuff, but I don't know if they'll be interested in watching it or not. But I was really, really impressed, and I really, really liked everything I got. And yeah, so all their links will be in the description bar down below. And so yeah, that's it for today's video. Let me know if you guys think this box is worth it or not in the comment section, because I really, really think it's worth it. And you should definitely check out their other stuff as well, because I think their other stuff's amazing. I'm definitely going to be buying from them now more because of this box. I think their stuff's absolutely great, and it is all amazing quality. Like, some of it's really, really great, so I'm really, really impressed. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys and girls really did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment in the comments and subscribe, only if you guys want to. And I will see you all again in my next video. Remember to smile, stay positive, and have a very good day or night wherever you are in the world. And I will speak to you all soon. And zoop!